So here's the next thing I want to show you how to do, and that would be to write the code for this baby. Okay? So in label, click on the topmost label, and you'll see I have label 1, but you could have label 2 or 3 or 5 or 17. It doesn't matter which label number it is right here. But that's called the label 1 click event. And because we're in an object-oriented programming language called shortcut OOP, you'll see over here it says label 1.click. Well, I don't want a click event. I want a label 1 mouse move. So I'm going to go here, and I'm going to change it from click to mouse move. And now you'll see it says, I made a new method. I can delete the old methods. I don't need these. And it says label 1 mouse move handles label 1 mouse move. I copy label 1 mouse move. I copy it, Control C. I put a comma, and I do Control V, and now I put label 2 mouse move. Then I put a comma, Control V, and make it label 3 mouse move. And I do that for all the labels I have. And I believe I have 7 labels, though I'm not certain. I have to go count them. Label 5.
What is Richie with that word?
Label 6. So if your mouse moves on the label, then we're going to close the game. And I'm going to do an MSG box. Sorry, you lost. And then I'm going to use N to end the game.
Abraham lick on.
Okay. Now, I need to go back to the form. I'm going to double click on the form because we actually need a form load event. Do I need that? Yes. I need to move the insertion point, also called the cursor, back to where the picture is. So I'm going to set my cursor dot position equals a new point, and I'm going to put mine in the top left. Now yours might be a little different. You could do it in different places. I have me.left plus the start left plus the top, and I set it up. But I'm going to try this. New point, I'm going to do pick mouse dot left plus, I'm going to try 40, comma, pick mouse dot top plus, mine's a small one, I'll do 40. Okay, so now, if you save all, we're not quite done yet. If you test it out, my cursor should have ended up right here at the car, and I didn't pay attention. Now, I can't drag the car, but that's okay, we'll fix that in a minute. But if I hit the edge, it says, sorry, you lost. And I try again. Now my mouse is way over here, so let's see if it moves my mouse to my car. My mouse is way over here, so I have to do a little more finagling because it put my mouse way off on the whole screen, not in the window. It put my mouse way off over here. So I have to move it a little more. My mouse was way off the screen on the window. And if I touch the edge, sorry, you lost. So I need to do this a little different. I need to do me dot left plus pick mouse dot left and me dot top plus pick mouse dot top. Now my cursor should be, that should be a me. Me refers to the form, so I'm saying, put the volume down please. So I'm saying start where we have the left and the top and start on the picture itself. So let's see, I put my cursor way over here on the right and there he is right on top of the car. So that worked really well. I could go a little lower so he looks like he's on the car, so maybe I can. I know, I wasn't playing. So top plus 60. Okay.
Just shave your eyebrows off.
So I'm going to put a comment here. This moves the cursor to the start position. That's what this method does. It moves the cursor to the start position. Now I need another form event. When the mouse moves event, I want to move the little car, Riley. When I move the mouse, I want to move the little car. So I need a form maze event, not the load event, but again the mouse move event. Mouse move event for the form, and I'm going to do pick mouse dot left equals E dot X minus pick mouse dot width divided by 2 so it's centered. So that's going to move him left horizontally with the cursor. So when my mouse moves, when the mouse moves, the picture mouse is going to follow the cursor. And I need to do again for his up and down motion, pick mouse dot top equals E dot X minus pick mouse. And if I'm going up and down, that's his height divided by 2. Now if you run the program and test it again, you will see that your cursor moves right on top of your icon to start. And then as I move my mouse, my car moves uh-oh, something's wrong. I moved him, he went wrong. Something's wrong. So let me see, what did I do wrong? Pick mouse dot top equals, oh, it should be E sub Y. That's what I did wrong, E sub Y. Now it should follow, the car will follow my mouse. So there's the car following my mouse. Notice I can have the tail of the car off the edge because the mouse itself isn't off the edge all the way. How do you know if you won? How do you know? Well, how do we know to code it? What are we going to code to tell them they won? When what happens?
I bet if when I go to college, my roommate and I will get like bombed completely well together. Not in that way. Not in that way, Riley.
So,
Oh yeah.
how does the computer know they won? That's what I'm trying to pull out from you, is how do we code it to tell the computer we won? When what happens, Riley? How do you know you won?
When same thing like if you lost, but with the picture.
That's right. It's a mouse move, but it's the picture. So I'm going to go in up here and get pick cheese.
Oh.
Oh, I got to think about that for a second. Yeah, pick cheese, mouse move,
feel stressing too hard.
And MSG box.
What? Yeah.
MSG box. U1 onto new levels. And at this point in time, we don't have another maze to go to. We don't have another maze to go to, but I would do me.hide, and then I would do something like FRM maze2.show. But for now, I can do end.
No, Lulu was actually like confused, right?
So here we go. I'm going through the maze. I'm going through the maze. I'm not going off the edge. And I get to here and says you won, on to new levels. And if you notice, my car went behind my flag, so I'm going to send my flag to the back.
What'd you say, Cole?
In the next video, we'll show how to add the new form.